welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys are going to get ready with me for Coachella. If I was going. Yeah, guys, I'm not going to Coachella this year. I've actually never been, but let's just hope and pray that I get big enough on social media to where I can go next year. So please help me out so we can go to Coachella 2024. Anyways, I'm pretty sure I'm not the only one who's imagined what it would be like to prepare and actually go to Coachella. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. The first step is to look for some outfit inspo. Okay, let's see what everyone else is wearing. Coachella 2023. People wear so many different things. Like, I see some people who are fully clothed in baggy clothing, people who are wearing summer clothing. It's like, what are you really supposed to go for? Ooh, look at Justine Skye. She looks cute, but that just looks way too hot for Coachella. And I'm someone who doesn't want to be all hot and sweaty, especially at a social event. Ooh, Jenna Ortega and her friends. Okay, they're going for more of the summer vibe. I like that. Actually, what was this year's theme? Ooh, this is cute. I like this outfit. It seems like a lot of people are doing cowboy boots. So maybe that was the theme. Ooh, this is cute. Guys, I'm not even sure how I'm supposed to put an outfit together because I feel like I don't have a lot that screams Coachella, but some of these outfits are really cute. Pray for me, everyone. Pray for me. We've made it back to my closet so that we can actually pick out some outfits. I don't know, guys. I have a lot of outfits, but I don't know if they scream Coachella. But let's see what we can find. I have this top that I got from Zoffel, I think, like 3 years ago, and I've only worn this once. So maybe we can do something with this. Not the fuzzy yellow shirt. This is kind of giving Coachella, guys, but what am I supposed to pair it with? I'm not quite sure. Do you think we can make something out of this? I actually dug up a few more items. I got a bathing suit top. This could actually work. And I'm thinking about pairing it with this bathing suit skirt cover up. It probably looks crazy to you guys right now, but I'm gonna try these on and hopefully it'll come together. Let's keep looking. Okay, so I've gathered about 3 outfits that I think might work. Let's try these on, and guys, please make sure to pay attention because I want you to comment down below which outfit out of the 3 you like the most. Let's try them. Okay, the first outfit is on, and it's not giving what I thought it was gonna give. Hold on, you guys can't even see the full thing. Here's the outfit. I have my blue bathing suit top from Target, white shorts from Forever 21, and this bathing suit cover up also from Target. Great, the lighting's getting crazy. It just looks like I'm going to the beach or a pool party with my friends, which is funny because I actually did wear this to a pool party with my friends at one point. I don't know, guys. I looked at the inspo and I thought that this was it. And second of all, I can't even get the back to tie correctly. This outfit is just not it for me, but let me know what you think in the comments. Okay, wait, I think this is so much better. Just wait. I kept the top, but I changed the bottoms to these blue parachute pants that I got from the mall. I think these look better. Parachute pants are super in right now, and I was seeing looks like this at Coachella. The lighting is making me so upset in this video, but please bear with me, guys. I purposely paired the blue with blue, and I would wear it with these purplish blue Air Jordan 1 sneakers. That'd be cute, I think. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this one in the comments. I don't know, maybe I'm getting delusional and it's not as cute as I think it is. I want to try it even with this white tube top. Okay, that's cute. I don't know if it gives Coachella, but it's nice. Do you guys like this combo better? With either choice, I'd say the parachute pants are a go. Look at the bottoms. At this point, I just want to stop trying. I tried to put on this lace top, but I'm just really not good at tying things in the back. It's super hard for me for some reason. And first of all, this top is very unflattering in this area, if you know what I mean. It's making everything look all big, but flat at the same time. Come on now, I can't get it to fit right. Oh my gosh, guys, this top is not staying on. So this would be a no-go for Coachella, or anything maybe. I can't do this. I think we all know which one I'm gonna go with. I'm going with outfit number 2 because it works the best for me. So now that we have the outfit down, we just need to get some accessories. I'm gonna start looking for some makeup looks that people commonly use to wear to Coachella. You guys probably can't tell, but I have like a regular base of makeup already on, but I want to add on something blue and some cool looking eyeliner just to make it pop, you know? Let's see, Coachella Makeup. Ooh, this is pretty, but looks like too much. Yeah, I'm not doing all that. I don't even have white eyeliner. Ooh, this girl just gave me an idea. I have a bunch of butterfly clips. It'd be smart to put some in. That's fun. So lots of people put jewels and accessories on their face. I have some jewels, but they're for nails. So I'm scared to put that on my skin because I don't want to break out just for trying a new makeup look. Ooh, this is super cute. I don't know, guys. I guess we're just gonna try something and hope that it works out. Okay, we're just gonna go in. I'm gonna use this Spectrum eyeshadow palette. I'm pretty sure I got this from Walmart a few years back. This is the only palette that I have that's super colorful, but it's gonna work just great for this. I'm thinking maybe I could do the dark blue and light blue. I feel like a makeup guru. I'm gonna take the dark blue shade called Nautical, dab that all over my brush so we can get a lot on my base, and just pat that on. Ooh, look at that. The color is really coming through. Okay, I think that's good. Let's move on to the other eye. Next year, when I hopefully actually get to go to Coachella, I'll be super good at makeup, or have a friend who's super good at makeup. Done with the dark blue. Now I'm gonna add some light blue to it just to give it a little contrast. And I'm actually gonna use my finger for this because I think it'll work a lot better. If you guys can even tell the difference. It's easier to see in person. I think not bad. I don't want it to look too messy because obviously I'm not perfect at makeup, but I'd say it doesn't look terrible. For eyeliner, I want to try something simple but at the same time pops. Something like this looks super cute. I just don't know if I can pull this off. Well, why not give it a try? I feel bad for my eyeliner because it's probably gonna be blue after this. Let me tie my hair for this. Here goes nothing, everyone. Pray for me. Here's what we're working with so far. I don't even think they look the same. I don't even know what is happening here anymore. But this looks too hard to remove even if I wanted to. So let's just slap some mascara on and call it a day. No. Final eye look. Oh my gosh, this looks crazy, I bet. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think though. Little highlighter. The lip look is too much, but basically there we are. I feel like I look like Dory from Finding Nemo, but hey, this is kind of cute, especially for my first time doing an eye look like this. Not too bad. Please make sure to rate my work in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. For hair, I don't know what I would do. Would I do something fun like pigtails maybe, or those little knots? Wait, oh my gosh, what? I think I'm gonna go for some pigtails because you know Coachella, it's fun, summery. I want to leave 2 strands out, guys. I'm just freestyling for the hair. Ooh, this is cute. Finally, time to accessorize. I have my butterfly clips here and I'm just going to use the blue ones since I'm going for an all blue look and just add them to the pigtails. Okay, I don't know if I should add any to the strands or if I should just leave them. Nah, they're barely even staying. They're just slipping off. And just like that, hair is done. This is super fun, guys, literally. I feel like I'm actually gonna head over to Coachella. I need to take a photo shoot because this is too good. Make sure to follow me on Instagram at Peachy Queen Official to see the photos. I have these zebra hoop earrings that I'm pretty sure I got from my mom a few years back. I don't know if this will match, but I feel like anything Coachella inspired needs to have something a little bit random. And I was already planning to wear hoops anyway, so why not? There we go. I think we're done. All right, here's the full look all together with the hair and makeup. This is actually starting to pop off, guys. Look at this. Now that we've picked an outfit, done my hair, done my makeup, and all the accessories, also took a lot of photos, we gotta pack what I'm bringing to Coachella. I think I would use my mini pink Michael Kors backpack. This might be too big because usually they want you to have small, clear bags, but this is the closest thing that I have, so for the sake of this video, this is what we're packing. Guys, I actually have some Polaroids in here. Maybe I should pack my Polaroid camera. That'd be super cute. Remind me to do that when I go to Coachella for the first time because Polaroids would be the vibe, basically. You're gonna need some snacks. Yes, you can buy food there, but let's say you just want a little snack. Why not bring some? So I've got Rice Krispie treats and chewy granola bars. Plop that right in there. You're outside for a long period of time, so you're gonna need some lotion and Vaseline so that you don't start drying up. Also a mini travel size perfume. I have this Ariana Grande Sweet Like Candy mini here. You don't want to be smelling all musty, you know, especially because it's hot outside and people are dancing a lot. I would also bring my Kate Spade New York wallet. This one is so cute, guys. When I bought it, I thought it was going to be pink, but it's actually tan and it has bees on it. Obviously, I would bring this because I need money, my ID, all the essentials. So let's put that in. I'm going to bring my rhinestone water bottle because not only does it fit the Coachella vibe, but you need to stay hydrated. It could be a reusable water bottle or a disposable one. Anything so that you're not thirsty and dry at the event. Obviously, you can't fit everything into your carry-on bag. Some other essentials that I would bring are my makeup bag, obviously so I can do some more fun makeup looks for the other days, because if you don't know, Coachella takes place on 2 weekends and there's 6 days to Coachella: Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. That's gonna be a lot of makeup looks. Is anyone going 2 weeks in a row, or does everyone just pick 1 week that they go? I'd also bring some kind of facial cleanser, micellar water, and reusable cotton pads to clean all the makeup and dirt off of my face. Not sponsored, by the way, but if any of those brands watch this, make sure to sponsor me. My email is in the description box down below. I also have some Q-tips here, my facial moisturizer, a wide tooth comb for my hair, and this softening conditioner that smells really good. Obviously, I would bring so many other things like extra outfits, more toiletries, and all that stuff. But I think that's enough for this video. You guys basically get the gist. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually kind of did. Even though it was a little rough in some areas, I got a super cute new look here. And I feel like I'm actually going to Coachella right now. But please help me out so that I can go to Coachella next year by subscribing, liking this video, commenting down below. And please make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram, both at Peachy Queen Official. And I'll see y'all next time. Love y'all. Bye.